That is so good. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making some honey butter toast. When I saw this recipe, it was so crispy that I just wanted to try it right away. Let's go in bread mode. This is a very viral recipe from a guy in London. I cannot remember his name. The recipe is very simple. Let's get right into it. You only need about 5 ingredients, but let's see if this is an easy recipe or is this guy lying to us. First you take 1 tablespoon of butter, add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar to it. Actually, let's do 2 tablespoons. Now you add a little bit of vanilla. Now you add your honey. Add a pinch of salt. Now we mix it up well. It should look like this. So now take a thick slice of bread, but if you don't have a thick slice of bread, stack 2 pieces on top and then you cut the crust off. Now you put your honey butter onto your toast and you have to put it on very good. Now you bake it at 350. While our bread is in the oven, let's make whipping cream. Now for our whipping cream, you need some vanilla extract, some sugar, and some whipping cream. Now I have some whipping cream in a big bowl. We add 1 spoon of sugar. Add a drizzle of vanilla. Now we whisk it. Testing time! Let's see this.
Yes, you can do much more.
Mama, I can't do it. I can't do it. That is so good.
Really, say?
This is the best way to eat your honey. Best way. Guys, the crunch is amazing, and also if you want to keep up with more recipes, keep following me on Instagram. It's very crispy from the outside but very soft in the inside. Okay, now go, let me eat. Bye guys, enjoy my video. Bye guys, enjoy my video.